Okay, several reasons that you want to replace your windows. One being infiltration. Okay, these windows, they have no wool piles, no kind of insulating value at all. Wind can come right around them, and you get what they call infiltration. Infiltration come out the bottom. As you can see, all they have is a little metal strip. Wind can come right around the bottom of it, right into your house. You also have what they call a single pane glass. So you get a radiance factor. Okay, you don't have any insulating value at all in this glass. So anything on the outside is going to come to the inside. Just if you put your hand to the window, you'll feel the cold from the outside, and there's not much difference. Another thing that you have to worry about in the windows is this. It's called rot, and wood is. You can take care of it, and it'll be okay sometimes. But what we do is we put in a vinyl window, then we replace any rotten wood. And when we replace the wood, we wrap it, and we cap it and make it impervious to the weather. And basically, the main reason you want to replace your windows would be to save money. And you can save up to 34% in fuel savings by putting in replacement windows.